Welcome to the Ansys Simulation Complete course for 2026. This introduction will guide you through the foundations of our curriculum. In this section, we provide an overview of the basics required for beginners to embark on their simulation journey. We are thrilled to have you join this comprehensive Ansys simulation training, designed to take you from a beginner level to advanced proficiency. Our main objective is to equip you with the essential skills to master simulation workflows and apply them to real-world engineering problems. We begin our countdown through the course modules, starting with module number 40. Moving along, we reach the fourth module of our introductory series, focusing on module 39, where we dive into the core mechanics of simulation software. Module 38 continues our exploration of simulation environments. In module 37, we will examine the interface components. Module 36 introduces the fundamental concepts of grid generation. Module 35 covers the essentials of boundary condition setup. Module 34 focuses on solver convergence and stability analysis. Module 33 discusses material property inputs for accurate modeling. Module 32 explores post-processing techniques for data visualization. Module 31 addresses common troubleshooting steps for beginners. At Module 30, we hit our first major milestone in the curriculum. Module 29 shifts our focus towards structural simulation basics. Module 28 delves into thermal analysis methods. Module 27 provides insights into fluid dynamics setup. Module 26 emphasizes validation of your simulation results. Module 25 focuses on advanced mesh refinement strategies for improved accuracy. Module 24 explores time-dependent analysis and transient simulation setups. Module 23 covers steady-state simulation approaches for static systems. Module 22 examines nonlinear material behavior in complex structures. Module 21 discusses contact interfaces and their impact on simulation fidelity. Module 20 brings us halfway through the curriculum with a focus on system coupling. Module 19 covers modal analysis to understand structural vibration characteristics. Module 18 focuses on harmonic response analysis for dynamic loading scenarios. Module 17 provides an overview of fluid structure interaction principles. Module 16 examines turbulence modeling in computational fluid dynamics simulations. Module 15 explores heat transfer coefficients and boundary conditions for thermal models. Module 14 introduces radiation modeling for complex heat transfer analysis. Module 13 discusses parameterization for design optimization and iteration. Module 12 covers scripting and automation within the Ansys workflow environment. Module 11 focuses on best practices for documenting simulation workflows and results. Module 10 presents case studies of successful industrial simulation applications. Module 9 analyzes the impact of geometry simplification on simulation efficiency. Module 8 reviews advanced post-processing tools for professional reporting. Module 7 explores how to manage large simulation datasets effectively. Module 6 highlights the importance of quality assurance in simulation processes. Module 5 examines sensitivity analysis to ensure robust simulation results. Module 4 covers parallel processing for faster computation times. Module 3 delves into debugging common simulation errors and convergence issues. Module 2 provides a summary of the fundamental workflows learned so far. Module 1 is our final module, focusing on synthesis and professional application. Simulation is a cornerstone of modern engineering, allowing us to predict physical phenomena before building a prototype. Finite element analysis, or FEA, is a computational method used to solve complex structural and thermal problems by breaking them into smaller parts. From designing aerodynamic wind turbines to ensuring the safety of aircraft engines, Ansys is utilized across industries to drive innovation. You can track your progress throughout the course using our interactive dashboard to ensure you meet all learning milestones. Our curriculum is structured to guide you from foundational theory to practical application through hands-on industry-standard projects. To get the most out of this course, we recommend a basic understanding of engineering mechanics and physics. Ensure your workstation meets the minimum system requirements for the Ansys version used in this 2026 series. Congratulations on starting your simulation training. We are here to support your growth as an engineering professional. Expect to be challenged as you tackle increasingly complex models throughout your learning journey. Ready to begin? Proceed to the next video to set up your environment and launch your first simulation model.